Hey guys, welcome back. Shout out to the last comment on my last video. I didn't realize I did a bad job at adjusting the volume of my talking with the music. Hopefully in this video is clearer and hopefully you guys will enjoy this more. But actually in this video I did such a bad job at extraction, but well, sometimes we just keep on going and just pour to drink it as it is just for our personal self. My grinder setting was at 7 and I'm pulling 19 grams of beans, split it into 2 cups, trying to reach 15 grams each, resulting in 30 grams extraction. So my plan for extracting is to open the full paddle from the start, but when the pressure starting to mount up, I slowly close the paddle so that it doesn't reach all the way to the 10 bar, but trying to maintain around 9 to almost 10 bar. I've been loving this needle distribution, but just like in this video, I somehow find myself cannot create even distribution with this needle equipment, even with the help of force damper. Do you guys have any experience with this as well? If you do, please do leave a comment below. As you can see, it fell down on the left side, but it stuck on the right side. It took a couple more seconds before it dripped to the other side, and been trying to figure out what's the best way to do this. Should I add back my last distribution tools? So there will be just another extra steps. What do you guys think? Looking at the extraction, I decided to course it back to the number 8 on my niche, and my next post should be better. And with this extraction, as it's only for my personal consumption, it's more for my colleagues as well. One of my colleagues prefer lighter espresso, so I'll giving her a lighter latte from the right cup. Alright, enjoy the process, guys.